Hello everyone and welcome to our project presentation. We are batch A6. My name is Minati and my teammates are Tejaswini, Manushri and Kirtana. Our project guide is Dr. P. Sunita Devi. Together, we have been working on an exciting project that we are eager to share with you today. Our project is language interpretation using machine learning. Over the past few months, we have been researching and developing this project utilizing machine learning algorithms and natural language processing techniques. Today, we will be sharing our progress with you and discussing our findings. So let's get started and dive into the presentation. Our project addresses the challenge of recognizing the source speech and interpreting it for the target speech. To solve this problem, we propose a system that makes use of a sequence-to-sequence model with an encoder and decoder. This model uses LSTM networks that can predict the next value in the sequence even as the sequence length increases. We have divided the problem of language interpretation into three modules, which we have solved sequentially to create a comprehensive solution. The first module involves the recognition of speech as text. We utilize advanced speech recognition technology to accurately convert spoken words into text. Our system uses deep learning algorithms to identify and translate speech, which is then fed into the second module. The second module is the interpretation of source and target text. We use sequence-to-sequence model with an encoder-decoder that includes LSTM networks to generate accurate translations of the source text into the desired target language. Our system uses machine learning algorithms to identify and translate key phrases and expressions, ensuring that the meaning of the original message is preserved. The third module involves the synthesis of the target text into the speech. We use advanced neural networks to generate natural sounding speech that is fluent and easy to understand. Our system utilizes Python text-to-speech synthesis technology to generate high-quality speech that accurately conveys the intended message. We have tested our model in various languages and have achieved impressive results. Our language can accurately recognize the source speech and translate it to the target speech without altering the meaning of the message. To solve our problem statement, we have built two models, one for English to Telugu translation and the other for Telugu to English translation, for which we have used two datasets. On the screen, you can see the datasets. This is how pre-processing is done for dataset. We have created two classes for encoder and decoder, which are the two basic building blocks for the sequence-to-sequence model. We have used an attention mechanism in the decoder class in order to get better predictions for longer sentences. We have saved the checkpoints of the model. The model is then trained for 15 epochs. These are the example outputs when inputs are provided to the model. Similarly, we developed a Telugu to English model, and below are some sample input-output sequences. Let us have a look at the Django UI that was created utilizing the stored models. The user can select between two alternatives on the interface. Let us select the Telugu to English and then speak a phrase after hitting the speak button. Let us look at an example. Naku akaliga undi. We can see the result on the screen. After training our model, we observed that it was providing accurate results for the combination of words that were present in the dataset. The loss function value after training the model was 0.04, indicating a high level of accuracy in our model. To evaluate the quality of text generated by our model, we have used the blue score algorithm. And based on the evaluations, we are pleased to report that our model has achieved a high blue score, indicating a high level of accuracy in its interpretation of the language. We are confident in our accuracy and reliability of our language interpretation model. We believe that it has the potential to improve communications across different languages and break down barriers in our global community. Thank you for listening to our presentation.